Hi, Ms. Monkey. You're gonna try to crawl through there? Oh, you're just plowing over those stuffed animals to get to Mama? You're just plowing over them? Ooh, what do we have here? An Xbox controller? All those toys, and that's what we go for. Oh, bonked on the head. Oh, you're okay. You're okay, baby. You gonna come see Mama? You gonna come see Mama? Grab Mama's toes? Does Mama have pink toes? We don't want the toes? Where are you going? Coming over here? Hi, baby doll. Hi, baby doll. Hi, Miss Monkey. Your clip's gonna fall out. Should I just take it out? There we go. Hey, lady. Successful standage. Oh, you trying to destroy the pillows?